can't believe I haven't spoken about this before. Eggplants are a tropical perennial plant. They often have spiny stems with white to purple flowers. They grow in a variety of shapes, sizes, colors, and thrive in hot climates. The eggplant is said to have originated in India, where it grows wild, and has been cultivated in India and in China for over 1,500 years. Travelers carried it to Europe, and thanks to Thomas Jefferson, it later arrived in the US from France. Did you know there are several stories on how the eggplant was named? One of them comes from British farmers. It's said that they were named eggplants because of how they looked on the plants that were used in competition. One of the biggest questions: is eggplant a fruit? In a word, scientifically speaking, yes. Wait, that was 3 words. The eggplant is part of the nightshade family. Tomatoes, okra, zucchini. So it's really because of the seeds. A fruit results from a flower being pollinated and must contain seeds. But even more specifically, eggplants are berries. What? That's true. The definition of a berry is a fleshy fruit that grows without a pit in the middle and comes from one flower with one ovary. Some other common names of the eggplant: egg fruit, aubergine, brinjal, and my favorite from Renaissance Italy, mad apple. And in case you didn't know, there's actually quite a few different varieties of the eggplant. For example, the Japanese eggplant, the Thai eggplant, the white eggplant, and Rosa bianca. Eggplants are 95% water. And get this, eggplant seeds contain nicotine. Don't be scared, it's okay. According to the website palainsmith.com, you'd actually have to eat about 20 pounds of eggplant just to get the same amount of nicotine in 1 cigarette. In just 1 cup of eggplant, or 82 grams, you will find 20 calories, 0.8 grams of protein, 0.1 grams of fat, 2.5 grams of fiber, and 4.8 grams of carbs. There's also vitamin C, vitamins K, and vitamins B6, thiamine, potassium, magnesium, and manganese. Eating eggplant may aid in digestion, improve the health of your heart and your bones, and it may help improve your brain functions. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Stay right here for more What's What of food from around the world. Bye!